How to change your login username on a Mac. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner. Then click on System Preferences. With the window that just popped up, we are looking for an option that says Users and Groups. Depending on your version of Mac, the location of this icon might be different. Once you have found it, click on it. My current name says, Hi, I'm a name. To change it, I will need to click on the lock icon right here first. Enter your password to unlock the ability to make changes. Then, with the current account highlighted, go ahead and right-click on it. Then click on Advanced Options. Over here, right next to full name, is where we can change our name. I'm going to change Hi, I'm a name to Hi, I'm not a name. Just kidding. Change it to whatever name you want. Then click on OK to apply this change. For more quick and easy tutorials to help you enjoy your Mac even more, make sure to check out my channel. Hope this helps. Bye!